Warning: this is a black hat method that can possibly make you a lot of money with CPA marketing. This video is actually requested by AJ, as you can see on the screen. So if you don't like this type of method, then I recommend that you click off the video right now. But if you want to learn how the gurus use black hat method effectively, then keep watching. So what I'm going to be showing you in this video is going to be a black hat method. And for those who don't know what black hat method means, it means you are going to promise your visitors something whenever they complete your locker, but eventually at the end of the day, you are not going to be giving them anything. So that's basically what black hat method means. So in this video, for those who want to learn how to do it effectively and efficiently, and of course make a lot of money with it, so what you are going to do is we are going to be using TikTok and Twitter with this method. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a Twitter account if you don't have one already. As you can see on the screen, I'm going to be using this demo Twitter account to explain how to go about this method. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Twitter, create an account if you don't have one already, and then you want to make sure you use a username that resonates with TikTok. As you can see, like mine, I say TikTok Boost, because in this method we are going to be using this landing page to drive traffic. As you can see on your screen, this is the landing page that we are going to be using to make money with this method. As you can see, it's a TikTok landing page to get followers, right? So when the user comes to this page, if they input their username, for example, let's say boy. So if I click on let's go, as you can see, it's connecting. So now I have to choose the number of followers I want, be it 5,000, 15,000 or 30,000. So if the user clicks on any of these and continue, a content locker will pop up, and once they complete any of the offers, you will get paid. All right, as you can see, it also has a section for comments. It also has live chats to make it look legit. All right, so let's get back to the method. So once you have your Twitter account set up, so the next thing you want to do is you want to go and create a tweet, and then you want to type in who needs more followers on TikTok, and then you want to have an emoji here, which is linking down below, and then you want to quickly go to a website called righttag.com, and then when you're on righttag.com, then you want to, for this website, you don't need to create an account with them. So once you search for TikTok, as you can see the results, it means, as you can see, if you click on this Twitter icon here, as you can see, it means over 1,500 people post unique tweet using TikTok as a hashtag in their tweets every hour, which literally means, if you multiply this number by 24, that is the amount of times people post on Twitter using TikTok as a hashtag in the tweet. So basically, what you can do is to also include TikTok as a hashtag. And also the second way to get good tags is to scroll down to where you see hashtags related to TikTok. As you can see, if you include any of these hashtags here, as you can see, if I highlight on this one, it means this hashtag, if you use it, you are going to get a lot of people who are going to see your tweet. So you want to include each and every of these hashtags whenever you make a post like this. That is if you want to, but you don't really need to. You can only use this TikTok as your hashtag whenever you make this tweet. So once you make this tweet, you are going to get a lot of people who would post their TikTok links, So once they start posting their TikTok link, and then you're going to send them to this landing page, and that is how you can use this method, right? And of course, you're not going to be giving them any followers, because how are you going to do that? So basically, this is a method that you can use. It's simple and it's easy to implement. All you just need, like I showed you here, TikTok gets over 1,500 posts per hour, and you can see the potential people who can see this tweet. These are the number of tweets that this keyword gets, and these are the potential number of people who can see the tweet every hour. I hope that makes sense. As you can see here, it's over 2 million people who would possibly see your tweets, and this means these 2 million people have actually interacted with a tweet that has TikTok in it. So basically, that is what it means. Every hour you have a lot of potential of these people finding your tweets. So if you can get, let's say 20 to 100 people a day to up on this landing page and then complete your locker, you are making money that way. And like I said, this is a black hat method for AJ who requested for this. So I don't use this type of methods, but for those who want to, you can do it if you want. All right, so now I'm going to be showing you how to set up this landing page in CPA Grip. All right, now we are in CPA Grip. So what you want to do is you want to come to monetization tools, and you want to click on content locker. So once you click on content locker, then you click on, this is the one I made. This is the example I made. So what you're going to write here is get free TikTok followers now, and then you can always change the text color, right? So after writing that, the next thing you want to also include is you can write note: followers will be delivered to the provided username account within 20 minutes after you complete one offer below. And as always, you can change the number of offers you want them to complete. Is up to you. So the second thing you need to do after completing the write-up is to make sure you choose the load method as on page load. All right, it's usually either on click or on page load. So you want to have on page load, and you want to have this time set to 60 seconds. Right, and you can leave every other thing the way it is. So once you have that, you can just save the page, and then you can come to click on get code, and you want to copy the code. So after copying the code, then you want to locate where you have the TikTok. I'm going to share the TikTok landing page folder with you. So once you have that, you want to then download a software called VS Code. So if you go to Google, I think I already made a video in the past on how you can download and how you can edit landing page using VS Code. It's a free software. You can download it. I already have it installed, so I don't need to do any of that. So if I go back to the content locker landing page, and then you want to go to this index.html, and then you want to click on it. You want to right click on it and then open with VS Code, Visual Studio Code. That is what it means. So once you have that open, it's loading up. All right, okay, it's opened. So once you have that, you want to scroll to the very bottom of the page, and then you want to replace this 166 line. You want to highlight that and make sure you end at the script, at the arrow after the script, and then you want to paste in the code we copied from CPA Grip. So once you have that pasted, you want to click on file and then you save it. All right, so it's as simple as that. That is all you need to do. All right, so it's not complicated at all. So once you have that saved, because I don't want this video to be too long, As you can see here, if you look at the domain, it says github.io. So now if I input my username, let's say XB Marketing, and then we click on go. All right, it's loading up. So let's say I want 5,000 followers. As you can see, the landing page is doing the whole hacking thing, and it's helping the user or whoever is on the page to generate the followers. As you can see here, it also says followers will be delivered to the provided username account within 20 minutes. And as you can see, it has a live chat here. Like I said, you can see. So now you can see the locker has popped up. All right, so and the locker say get free TikTok followers. Now notes followers will be delivered to the provided username account within 20 minutes after you complete one offer below. As you can see, it already shows me an offer here, and I always tell people CPA grip offers or hard work media offers are very easy to complete. If I'm going to click on this now, let's say for instance I want to complete this offer. As you can see, all it says is that I should scan this code. So once I have this code scanned, trust me, I'm going to make money, right? Which means whoever set up this landing page is going to make money, right? So all they say is just scan this code, and once this code is scanned by the user, you make money. So almost everyone knows what a QR code is, right? So it's as simple as that. It's not complicated at all, because I've seen people who think CPA grip offers are very difficult to complete. That is not true. So you can see the person doesn't need to buy anything. They don't need to do any form of purchase. All they just need is to grab their phone, scan this code, and boom, you make money. It's as simple as that. Some of the offers may ask them to submit their email. I mean, most of us, numerous times when we are on our favorite website, we've come across website that asks for our email in return to send us a file or to send us whatever it is, and we do that. So there's no difference from CPA from CPA marketing, right? So once the user submits their email, CPA grip pays you. That's all they need to do. They don't need to buy anything at all. So that is going to be this method in a nutshell, right? So it's a very simple, straightforward method that you can use. So once you're on your Twitter, and once people start commenting their links, once they start dropping their links, you can send them a DM to this landing page. So once you send them to this landing page, if they complete the offer, you get paid. It's that simple. And like I said, it's a black hat method. They won't be receiving the followers, but it's up to you if you want to use the method. So the final thing you need to do, of course, is how to upload this landing page to GitHub, right? So after editing the landing page in VS Code, as I showed you here, the final thing is to upload it to GitHub. So because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm going to leave a link in the description to a video that shows you step by step how to upload landing pages like this on GitHub. You can do everything on your mobile phone, and you can do it on your laptop. It's straightforward and simple. And if you find any value in this video at all, then make sure to leave a like on this video. And if you have any comments, any question at all, or any type of video you want to see, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.